I'm going to show you how you create the event listener for the button. For example, the add button, we just type button add dot set on create listener and then enter. And then new view dot on create listener. After that, you will see the error message in the Android Studio. Actually, you need to implement the method. You can hold the alternate and enter key, and then select the option of implement method, or you can click this icon and then you select the implement method. For the interfaces, you need the onClick method, so we just implement this one and click OK. So that means whenever the button S is being clicked, this function will be called. So we need to update the quantity and show the quantity inside the text view. Hence, when the method is being called, we will add the quantity and then we will set the quantity to the text view. Using this method, text view quantity dot set text, and then show the quantity. But because this is a integer and we need to pass in the string type, I'm going to just add the double quote and plus sign to convert the integer to the string. We are going to do the same for the button minus. So button minus dot set on create listener new view dot on create listener. Implement the method by holding the alternate and enter key and select the implement method. Then implement the onClick method. So for the minus, we are going to update the text view and also the quantity, which is minus minus. Let's try to run your application. So let's check the button add and minus is working or not. When I click it, the quantity is increased. When I minus it, the quantity is decreased. So basically it's working well. When I click the checkout button, it's not working yet. So we are going to implement the checkout button event listener. To do that, we declare button.checkout.set on create listener new view dot on create listener, and then hold the alternate and enter key to implement the method. So what we are going to implement here is when the user click the checkout button, we will give back the information about the quantity and the name they have key in the edit text box using the toast message. So I'm going to declare a temporary string for it to hold the name, which the name is we get from the edit text, which using the edit et name dot get text method, and then I have to convert it to string. To show the toast message, we can start with the toast dot make text. The first parameter is the context, which basically we have to tell the Android which method, which Java file is coming from, which is the min activity classes dot this. Second is the message of the toast. Third is the duration, how long you want to show the message. We have two options, one is length short, another is length long. So I'm going to select the length short, and then finally we have to show it. So I'm going to modify the toast message to the thank you, and then the name they already key in with for order how many latte, quantity, latte. Okay, let's try and run your application. So when I click the checkout button, it's able to display the toast message and can get the quantity information from the edit text, from the text view. So for the name, we must key in something. When I click the button again, it's already get the information from the editor. So the whole message will be, thank you Lan for order 1 latte. If I increase the latte, it's able to get the new quantity value also. Congratulations, basically you have done for your one simple application. In this part of the lesson, you have learned about how to design the user interface and then set the margin and so on. And importantly is you know how to set the ID for the view, and then you know how to declare the button and link the view in the XML file to the Java file using the file view by ID. And you also learn about how to create the event listener for the button. And then you also know how to make a simple toast message. So congratulations, we will further develop the application in the next series of lessons. Thank you very much.